Well, Sunanda Pushkar's apparent death due to an overdose of antidepressants has now been confirmed by her autopsy report. However, the SDM overseeing the investigations has said that he has not yet ruled out foul play.
The SDM's decision could lead to more questions for Sunanda's husband and the Union Minister Shashi Tharoor.
While it is confirmed Sunanda Pushkar died of poisoning, the whys in the hows are yet to be answered. The autopsy may have confirmed that she died of poisoning, but hasn't answered what kind of poisoning. This uncertainty has led to the SDM to order a probe into the matter. What is also puzzling investigators are the injury marks on her body. Again, the autopsy is silent on what kind of injury marks they were.
AIIMS doctors say she died of sudden death due to poisoning, but they have not clarified what kind of poisoning. They say her body had injury marks, but they have not specified where those marks were and what was the nature of injuries. Were they bruises, abrasions or swelling?
If the individual is of 50 kilogram, then he or she has to consume 225 tablets of 1 milligram Alprex. Only then this may be fatal.
You see, please understand that alprazolam is one of the very safe anxiolytics. It is not an antidepressant, but it's an anxiolytics. And I have seen patients who have consumed more than 100 times the normal drug. Still, they have survived. At the most, they come to us in a drowsy state and they can have some amount of depression of respiration.
Experts believe viscera examination will not be enough to ascertain how she died of poisoning. They say an incomplete autopsy will be futile, and unless his pathology is done, it will be difficult to find out how she died. The examination will ascertain her cause of death. What kind of poison was there? Did her body react adversely with any medicine due to some inherent ailment or not?
Now that the SDM has ordered a detailed inquiry, investigations will be made to ascertain whether Sunanda's death was accidental, suicidal or homicidal. Until this inquiry is complete, Tharoors and their friends will not get the answers to the questions which have been troubling them. How did Sunanda die? It is hoped that the fast-track inquiry would put to rest all the speculations surrounding her death. With camera person D.K. Sharma, Atir Khan in Delhi for Headlines Today.